Get ready to unleash the power of precision and versatility with the ultimate tool in your workshop arsenal. In today's video, we're diving headfirst into the world of the best corded angle grinders. These game changers are about to revolutionize your DIY projects and professional tasks. We've got a lineup of top contenders, and the links to each grinder are waiting for you down in the description box. Now let's grind it out. Dewalt DWE 402 Angle Grinder. The Dewalt DWE 402 corded angle grinder packs a punch with its 11-amp motor, delivering a staggering 11,000 RPM for ultimate power. It features a dust ejection system to ensure longevity by ejecting damaging particles, oversized brushes for extended brush life, and a one-touch guard for quick and easy adjustments. This grinder offers unrivaled comfort with its uniquely small gripping surface and ergonomic side handle. Keep working with confidence, thanks to its auto-off brushes that prevent tool damage. Whether you're cutting, grinding, or polishing, this angle grinder handles it all. Backed by a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty, Dewalt has you covered. Black+Decker BDEG 400 Angle Grinder. The Black+Decker BDEG 400 corded angle grinder is your go-to tool for a wide range of applications. With a durable metal gear case, 3-position side handle, and spindle lock for easy accessory changes, it offers both comfort and control. For grinding, cutting, or removing rust, this angle grinder gets the job done. Its narrow body ensures a comfortable grip, and it's designed for hassle-free power down with a one-touch release switch. Approach tasks confidently with the angle grinder, supported by a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Avid Power MW590 Angle Grinder. The Avid Power MW590 corded angle grinder boasts a mighty 7.5-amp motor with 900 W output, reaching an impressive 11,000 RPM for your most demanding tasks. Its slim, lightweight, and ergonomic design reduces fatigue and enhances control. With a built-in spindle lock, convenient abrasive wheel replacement is a breeze. Safety is paramount, as the protective cover prevents sparks and metal chips during use. This package includes the grinder, metal grinding and cutting wheels, an auxiliary handle, and more. It's your ideal choice for cutting, grinding, polishing, and rust removal. Rev up your projects with the angle grinder. WEN 944 Angle Grinder. The WEN 944 corded angle grinder boasts a robust 7-amp motor capable of producing up to 11,000 RPM, providing power and precision for a variety of tasks. Its lightweight design, combined with a comfortable rubber grip lining, ensures maximum control and comfort during use. The reversible handle can be attached on either the left or right-hand side, enhancing versatility. With an arbor adapter for grinding wheels, this angle grinder caters to various needs. Count on the WEN 944 angle grinder with its solid 2-year warranty for all your grinding, cutting, and sharpening demands. Porter Cable PC 750 Ag Angle Grinder. The Porter Cable PC 750 Edge corded angle grinder offers professional-level features at a budget-friendly price. Its 7.5-amp motor delivers up to 10,000 RPM, ensuring efficient and quick work completion. With a cast metal gearbox and versatile 3-position handle, it enhances durability, safety, and control. Use it for cutting rebar, grinding, or rust removal with ease. The spindle lock simplifies accessory changes. This angle grinder is a reliable companion whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. It stands behind its quality with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for joining us on this electrifying journey through the best corded angle grinders. Remember, the power to transform your projects is just a click away. Don't forget to subscribe for more tool-tastic tips and reviews.